Hey guys, Tamika here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I have an unboxing for you. This is a new company that I purchased from, and I just wanted to share my experience, the shipping, what the website is about. If you love like luxury bags, but you can't afford the luxury bags, and you like a nice dupe, stay tuned. You might want to check this website out. All right, so in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing from a company called Ltllondon, and they're basically a handbag website. So if you are a person that loves luxury handbags but can't quite afford a luxury handbag like myself, and you might like a nice little dupe of the bag, something that's a little bit more affordable, and this website has a ton of handbags that are dupes for very well-known luxury handbags. The most common one that I see on this site reminds me of the Chanel flat bag, which we're going to get into because that's one of my purchases. They have dupes with famous bags. Like if you saw the shape of the bag, you can immediately just say like, oh, that's an Yves Saint Laurent, that's an Hermes, that's a Prada, or that's definitely a dupe of a nice Chanel bag. The bags on this website are really legit, and I'm so excited. I've seen this company for a while. I've just never purchased anything from them. And what made me purchase this time around is that they were having a sale. So the sale that I purchased from was you buy a large handbag and then you get a mini handbag for free, and you can't beat that. You're getting the mini of the large bag for free. So let's just hop right into it. Let me go ahead and unbox for you guys. When I say unbox, I literally mean I still have it in the box. It's all taped up. I haven't opened anything yet because I wanted to mention how this box actually came. So I purchased this, I placed the order on March 26th. And then that same day I got another email that it was shipped out. Now this company is based out of London, so that's gonna go through customs. That's gonna take a while to get to you. Today is April 8th, so it took just about 2 weeks to get to me. One thing that I have to say that I did not like about how this package came, I don't know if it's because of customs or if you've purchased from here, let me know if this is something that's normal. So the invoice is on the outside of the package, which to me doesn't make any sense because it literally has the name, it has what's inside of the box, it has the name of the bag, it has the price of the bag. Like, why is it on the outside of the box? Is that something because of customs and I'm just not used to that? But that just seems like, because once it gets delivered, you don't know where you're delivering it. Somebody can just come through and, oh, let me read what's on your box and steal the package. So I don't know if that was supposed to happen, but that's one thing that I did not like about how this package came. But other than that, let's go ahead and open this up and so I can show you guys what bag I actually got. The video might be looking a little dark. I usually would try to have my light on in the background, but I don't have the plug for that light and neither the stand for that light. So forgive me, it's just going to be a little dark in the back. I'm sorry, I'm waving this comb around because my scissors are too far away, and I'm going to try to use the end of this to open my package. All right, so I have opened my package. Comes with a little card in here that just offers 25% off your next order. And then here is our package in here. All right, let's go ahead and start with this one. So as you can see, it comes in a black satin pouch. And then the second item, this was the free item, just comes in a cloth dust bag. And then you also have a little shopping bag that you can open up with a ribbon. I thought that was really cool. All right, so the bag that I purchased, as you can see, I'm going to read it just from the box because it's on the box. The bag that I purchased is the Seville medium bag in black, and the free bag was the Seville small bag in the color cream. And I really like this. This is the dust bag. It says Ltllondon. Where luxury meets affordability. Go ahead and open this up. All right, and here is the bag. Oh, look at that, guys. Now, as you can tell, we know what this is, a very famous dupe of, the classic Chanel flap bag. This is the medium, so I think they'd have ones larger than this, but this is the medium, and I have it with gold hardware. There is a pocket on the back here, and the quality of this faux leather is very soft. It's very like, you know, cushiony, but still holds the structure. Turn latch here to open it. And then as you can see, just like the Chanel flap bag, we have a flap right here, which pops right open. And you have this very beautiful, like burgundy shade. In the camera, it's picking up a lot brighter than it is in person, but it's a very nice, like deep cranberry burgundy shade. And we have a pocket right in here. There is a pocket back here. There's a pocket right here with a zip, and then it goes upwards. So that's another feature of the Chanel bags as well. The pockets that are in the inside flap, it goes up. And here is the inside of the bag. 2 pockets back here, and then the little pocket for like your lipstick, just like the Chanel bag. Although it is fairly small. I don't know what kind of lipstick could fit in there. You know what could fit in there? A lip liner. That is pretty small for lipstick. But in the Chanel bag, I believe this little space right here is big enough to hold lipstick. But yeah, here's this bag. This is beautiful. Let me go ahead and take off the plastic. All right, so here are the handles for the bag with the gold hardware. You can use it as, you can double up with the chain and just throw it on your shoulder, or you can make it one long strap, just like this. And that is the bag, and just throw it over your shoulder, or you can wear it, you know, crossbody just like that as well. But yeah, here is the bag. This is again the Seville medium bag in black. And now let's hop into the free mini bag. And here we go. So it's literally the same. They're literally the same. It's just that this one is smaller. Here's a little bit of a comparison of how much shorter it is to the black bag. Same details, very soft. The quality on these bags are really amazing. They feel great. They're super soft and buttery. And then here's the inside. This one does not have a flap. It's just one big opening. It also does have that burgundy interior. So this one is just an open pocketbook. There is a zip pocket as well in here, but that's pretty much it. You just have a smaller version to your medium bag, and it's just a perfect nude neutral shade. I hope it's not being washed out by all my lights that I have going on here. If I put it like this, you can probably see it a little bit better. Much of the color. It's a very nice, like a natural bone color, that kind of cream. But yeah, so those are my purchases. Like I said, this was my first time purchasing anything from Ltllondon. One thing to note is that when you do go onto the website, if you're going on there to purchase something, keeping in mind that this is a UK brand, so you have to change the currency from the Great Britain pound to USD if you're ordering from, you know, US, because I watched another video and she made sure to mention that, because I was like, okay, I couldn't find it. I was doing it on my phone and I couldn't find the option to change. I thought like when I went to pay, it was gonna switch it over, but she said no, it doesn't switch. It'll just charge you the amount that's there, but when it gets to customs, it's gonna charge you the difference. You're gonna think like some type of scam thing is happening because you paid here, but then you're gonna get another charge. That's because you know, at customs, they're working out the difference in the currency change. So if you're not in London and you're making that purchase, be sure to change to the correct currency that you are shopping for, and then you can go ahead and make your purchase. And everything was pretty much easy and simple. After that, I will definitely be taking another look at the website because I'm looking at a bag right now that looks really nice. It's giving me Prada vibes. But anyway, that is it for today's video. Very short, sweet, to the point. If you guys are interested in purchasing from Ltllondon, I will have them linked down below, so you can go ahead and check it out. If you do purchase something, come back, comment down below, let me know what you purchased so I can probably check it out too as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.